Hey, it's James here, and I wanted to sit down today because I just sold nearly all of my TLT. And I just did a video a couple of days ago talking about TLT as one of the safer investments. So I felt like it was important to be transparent and actually share what I'm doing. Not because you should do the same thing, that's your call, but I want to be transparent. So I did sell most of my TLT actually in aftermarket trading today. The reason I did that is twofold. First, because TLT charges, I believe it's 0.15% management fee, and I really don't get anything special for that fee. So I decided I'm just going to actually put the money directly into bonds themselves. Instead of buying the ETF that holds the underlying bonds, I'm just going to buy the bonds. That makes more sense to me for my situation. Not everybody has access to bonds. It depends on your broker. And so that's why originally I was talking about TLT. But the other reason that I decided to go ahead and go direct with bonds is because there is a edge case with TLT where the price can go down and never come back up. It's not likely, but it is possible. If rates go up, that means TLT price goes down. And if rates never come back down, then you're permanently depressed. Whereas if you buy a bond at bond maturity, you're guaranteed your capital back. So in that sense, bonds are slightly safer than TLT, although it's extremely unlikely that TLT would go down and never go back up, because again, that means rates go up and never come down. And that's not historically how that works. Unfortunately, if you're trading on a platform like Robinhood, like I said, to the best of my knowledge, Robinhood does not offer bonds. And so you'll need to move to a more professional platform. If you like Robinhood and that's where you're trading at right now, then by all means, you can take a look at something like TLT if that suits your needs. The other reason that I decided to sell my TLT is because I do suspect that rates are going to climb higher. And so I want to try to get in at the best possible price. And so I will probably tiptoe back into some bonds, maybe with, 3 to 5% of my portfolio is kind of what I'm thinking right now. And then if rates jump, I'll probably add more to the bonds at that point because it's going to give me an even better price. In the meantime, I'm going to lock up most of my capital in ultra liquid assets. For example, things like SGov, which is basically tracking short-term treasuries. Nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not telling you what you should do. I just felt like it was a little bit dishonest to do a video on TLT and then 2 or 3 days later sell the TLT and not tell you guys and gals. Not a financial advisor. You should always go out and do your own due diligence and seek out professional financial advice from a licensed financial advisor before making any type of investment in cryptocurrency, the stock market, precious metals, Forex, or any other tradable asset. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always, please remember to invest and trade safely.